Hi dear, welcome to Beauty Room. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more interesting beauty tips like this. Today's video is about how to make your skin glow eating fruits. With that said, let's begin. The first step to having great skin is to eat healthy food. Only the external use of skincare products can restore your skin. If you want to glow, your diet needs to include essential vitamins and minerals. The simplest approach to have beautiful skin is to consume vitamin-rich fruits. Fruits are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that may help maintain the health of your skin cells. They also have a high concentration of water, which is also good for the skin. 1. Cucumber. Cucumbers can be used to alleviate puffy eyes. According to scientific studies, sea cucumbers can help in wrinkle reduction. Additionally, cucumbers contain a lot of water. Cucumbers that have not been peeled are also rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, and K. Use cucumber in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and other dishes. Prepare a glass of cucumber juice and season with a dash of lime juice, cumin powder, and pink Himalayan salt. Cucumber is another snacking option. 2. Watermelon. There is a lot of water in watermelon. Watermelon is a miracle food for oily, acne-prone skin, along with carotenoids, flavonoids, and lycopene. Watermelon also has 92% of its weight in water, 0.4% of dietary fiber, 7.5% of carbs, and 0.4% of sugar. It has no fat or cholesterol. A medium dish of watermelon can be consumed for lunch or breakfast. Use watermelon in a fruit salad or drink freshly blended watermelon juice. Adding watermelon to your smoothie is another option. 3. Apples. Apples provide amazing skin benefits. Vitamins A and C, dietary fiber, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are all present in apples. Since they include antioxidants, they aid in removing free oxygen radicals that cause skin damage. Every day, consume one apple together with some nuts as part of a balanced snack. Apple slices can be added to your breakfast cereal, oatmeal, or cornflakes. Apples can be used to make juice or smoothies. 4. Avocados. The skin benefits of avocados are numerous. Fiber, vitamin C, A, C, K, B6, niacin, folate, and pantothenic acid are all present in good amounts in avocados. It has antioxidant properties that lessen DNA damage and oxidative damage. Avocados lessen inflammation, keep the skin flexible, and hasten the healing of wounds. Avocados should be used in your salad, burgers, breakfast bowl, and sandwiches. Make a spinach and avocado smoothie or an avocado dip by combining avocado with hummus or yogurt. 5. Oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C, as they have 54 milligrams per 100 grams. Oranges have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, photo and DNA damaging, and collagen-promoting properties. Consume an orange straight from the tree every day, or combine the pulp with freshly squeezed orange juice. Stay away from the pulp if you have stomach ulcers. Oranges can be used as a garnish on salad, pizza, cake, and smoothies. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you find any value in this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification button so that you will be the first to know whenever I upload interesting videos like this. See you in the next video.